Hi friends, let me show you this new pack of 50 cardboard sheets. They are 12 by 12 inches and they are about 3 millimeters in thickness. The thickness about 3 millimeters. They are strong enough. You could use them to protect documents if you are going to send them by any courier service. Okay, you can use them to pack things in your office, in your home. You could even use them to have your children playing around with them. They could use them to play, to cut or to create whatever they want. They can use them to draw on them, to use them as a drawing board. Whatever you can imagine that you can use this kind of cardboard sheets. They are really good. They are strong enough so you can use them to protect or to play or to pack, to protect anything that you think has to be protected with these kind of cardboard sheets. Perfect.